Hi, this is Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Mishibox for March. Mishibox is a really cool Korean subscription box in the $20 price range with about 5 items every month. Pardon my razor blade here. I'm just trying to get the dang thing open. Ah! Everybody's okay. Anyways, let's check her out. Beautiful color insert. Dr. Smith's Satisfy Your Skin's Thirst Hyaluronic Aqua Mask Pack. Eggplant Bubble Pad. Instant Sebum Clear Removal of Blackheads. Oasis Peeling Gel. As the peeling gel helping the turn over to clear skin, it melts the impurity and exfoliates by rolling gently. It controls waste of pore and sebum and keeps soft skin. Cool. Ooh, this one came a little bit beat up, but it doesn't look like it's punctured. Greymelon Day by Day Care Cica Solution Cream. DNA 97%. I can't read exactly what this is. That's everything in the box. Let's kind of review. The peeling gels are a must-have at any beauty and skin lover's shelf. It gently removes dead skin cells to visibly improve skin complexion. Your skin will feel so much smoother after just a single use. So, after cleansing, pat dry, apply an adequate amount to your face, avoiding eyes and lips, and gently massage for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then follow up with your normal skincare routine. So, it's for face. Cool. Eggplant Bubble Pad is a super convenient one-step cleansing pad. When exposed to air, it bubbles up for effective cleansing, and one pad is enough to remove makeup and cleanse your skin. Whoa, cool. Remove pad from pouch. Use a gentle circular motion to cleanse your skin. Use the pink side for stronger exfoliation. Rinse with water and pat dry. That's pretty interesting. Can't wait to try that. Okay, there was a whole bunch of choices, and I got Cica Solution. So, Greymelon created these day-to-day creams to target different skin concerns: moisture, dullness, elasticity, and redness. With the full set, you can vary your skincare routine depending on the day's condition. You can also target specific areas. So I got the Cica Solution Cream. Uses tea tree extract, chamomile extract, and Centilla asiatica extract to calm red and irritated skin. After cleansing and toning, apply an adequate amount onto affected areas up to twice daily. The DNA Galactomyces ampule contains 97% Galactomyces ferment filtrate that has numerous benefits: promotes skin elasticity, brighten skin, minimize the appearance of pores, moisturize skin, and smooth skin. It's proven to be effective in all of these qualities in laboratory testing. After cleansing and toning, apply to your face up to twice daily. And then the Hyaluronic Aqua Mask Pack from Dr. Smith's. It's made with ultra-thin, transparent mask sheet that adheres to your skin like no other to deliver moisture effectively. Awesome. Pretty cool box. Check it out. This is Mishibox. I get it for, I want to say, around $25, somewhere in there, dollars a month. I'm going to leave the description below. You can check out the link. It might be different to ship to your house, but that's the approximate price for this box to come to my house. It's a great deal. 5 products every month. They're very timely. They're very good at, you can either get one box one time, or you can get the month's box a lot quicker than other boxes. So usually when you buy a box from other subscription boxes, you won't get that first month's box, you'll get the next month's box. This one, you can get that first month's box way late into the month, so that's pretty cool. They're really quick that way. So this is Mishibox March 2019. I'm going to leave the details in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. Please, as always, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much.